VEVOR sent me this stainless steel backsplash, and this one comes complete with a shelf. And they have a couple different sizes of this. You can get this in a 30 by 30 size, which is very common, also 30 by 24. So depending on what you need in terms of height up to your overhead um, range fan, down to your stove, you can get different styles as needed to fit your house. This comes with a shelf. This is a really nice add-on here. It just screws in directly into the unit, and then you can put items on the top, and it's got a bar underneath here where you can hang things using these provided S hooks. They give you 6 of these, all stainless steel, really nice quality stuff. So when you're cooking at your stove, you've got plenty of access to needed spices and things on the rack, and then stirring spoons and spatulas and whatnot hanging below and out of the way. With stainless steel, it's super easy to clean. This comes shipped in a lot of very precious foam so that you're not going to have any worries about any dents or any damage to the stainless. It's going to be a perfectly flat sheet when you receive it, and in very good shape. Comes with that cover. You've got to use a hairdryer to peel it off, get it nice and crisp, and then it shines up really nice with that stainless finish all throughout. The shelf, the pole, the hooks, it's all stainless, and the attaching hardware. They give everything you need to install this and make your house look great. I hope that helps. Have a great day.